Students, now this is degree of adjective. Actually, degree of adjective, degree can be only material, noun and abstract noun. Because we can't count all these are in numbers, singular or plural. All these can be shown only by showing how much, and how much is can be expressed only by the degrees, lower, higher, whatever be there. So material noun or abstract noun, degrees of material noun and abstract noun can be made only, except this क्या कहते हैं प्रॉपर नाउन, कॉमन नाउन और कलेक्टिव नाउन, इन तीन का एडजेक्टिव डिग्री नहीं बन सकता। जब बनेगा तब केवल मटेरियल नाउन और एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन का बनेगा। डिग्री कितने होते हैं? तीन तरह की होती है, पॉजिटिव, कंपैरेटिव, सुपरलेटिव। पॉजिटिव डिग्री क्या होती है? इट इज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, नॉर्मल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एडजेक्टिव का, यानी यह नॉर्मल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होता है। जैसे फैट बॉय, एक नॉर्मल मोटा लड़का, हम कहें फैटर बॉय, तो फैटर बॉय हम जो ही कहेंगे वो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री में चला जाएगा। वह तुलना होगी कौन किससे अधिक है। फैटेस्ट थर्ड सुपरलेटिव डिग्री, तो वह दिखाएगा कि सबसे मोटा कौन है, बाकी जो मोटा हमसे नहीं मतलब है। द हाईएस्ट मोटा, हु इज दैट बॉय और पर्सन। सो पॉजिटिव डिग्री शोज द नॉर्मल फॉर्म ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव और वर्ड व्हाटएवर बी। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू मेक कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू, दो के बीच में तुलना करनी हो तब कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होती है। दो से जो ही अधिक हो जाते हैं सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में चला जाएगा। सो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू मेक कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू बॉयज, पर्सन, नाउन, प्रोनाउन, ऑब्जेक्ट, व्हाटएवर बी। सुपरलेटिव डिग्री इज यूज्ड टू कंपेयर वन विथ ऑल, यानी वन साइड एक तरफ एक अकेला है और अदर साइड जिनसे कंपेयर की जा रही है वो सभी ढेर सारे इकट्ठे एकत्रित हैं। वो इकट्ठे होकर, जैसे ये 10 बॉयज हैं, इन 10 बॉयज में से हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में अगर कर रहे हैं तो एक लड़का इधर होगा प्लस 9 लड़के इधर होंगे, सॉरी नॉट प्लस, इसको, यानी इस एक की कंपैरिजन जो है इस 9 लड़कों से की जा रही है। तो द बेस्ट। सेम एग्जांपल, टाल, ब्रेव, टाल, टालर, टालेस्ट, ब्रेव, ब्रेवर, ब्रेवेस्ट, एटसेट्रा। सम रूल्स टू मेक एडजेक्टिव्स। First, if positive ends, that is the spelling of positive degree ends with y, यानी y पे कोई डिग्री, पॉजिटिव डिग्री वर्ड की स्पेलिंग खत्म होती है और उस y से पहले प्रेसिडेंट मीन्स पहले जो है कोई कॉन्सोनेंट लेटर आता है, तब y जो है i में चेंज हो जाएगा और er और est will be added in the after the y. For example, busy, at last y is here and it is being preceded, that is इससे पहले ये जो है यह यस है, that is also consonant. So अब जब y लास्ट में है स्पेलिंग और इससे पहले consonant है तो यह y जो है यह i में चेंज हो जाएगा और स्पेलिंग हो जाएगी busy and after it er will be added, busy and that is superlative degree. In comparative er, superlative est, and all forms of comparative and superlative degree are made by adding er in comparative degree, est in the superlative degree. So busy, busier, busiest. In same way other spellings who ends with the y and preceded by the any consonant of the English letters, then the y will change into I and est will added. Second rule related to y. If positive ends with y, means here in both rules positive degree or spelling of the positive degree is ending at the y. Y is here also. But there is one condition only. In first rule y is being preceded, यानी y से पहले जो है consonant है यहाँ पे. This is the consonant form. But here y is preceded by the vowel. This is the comparison. Look here. This subject matter is easy to understand. पहले रूल में y है, y के पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है तो y i में चेंज हो जाएगा, लेकिन दूसरे वाले में लास्ट में y है और y से पहले वॉवेल है, तब y जो है i में चेंज नहीं होगा, y अपनी जगह पे रिमेन बना रहेगा। और आप जैसे GRAY y है, इससे पहले ये वॉवेल है। अब ये जो है y यहाँ पे I में चेंज नहीं हुआ है ऊपर वाले की तरह, बल्कि GRAY and EST is being added here. So gray, grayer, grayest. Only you are to keep in your mind this consonant and vowel before y. Consonant y into I, vowel y remain same. Then third rule, if positive degree ends, that is positive degree here referring to the spelling of the word adjective. If positive ends with e, means at the last of the spelling, e vowel comes in any spelling. If at last e is here and there is no rule exception like this consonant vowel. If only e is here, then er and est will be added here. Er, est in all these three rules. Nothing is here difference in adding er, est. What is difference? In change of y will change into I, y will remain same. Here e will remain same. Only er will be added. E here is same. Only r and st will be added. Brave, braver, bravest. Fourth rule, if positive ends, yani spelling of the positive degree ends with the any consonant. Here T is consonant, spelling ends, and consonant is preceded by vowel. और उस consonant से पहले कोई vowel है, then the consonant is double. उस स्थिति में consonant जो है उसे double कर दिया जाता है. For example, fat, T is consonant, and before consonant A is here present. A is here as a vowel, so here T will be added as double. Fat, fatter, fattest. This is the rule related to some adjectives. Next rule. If positive degree of any adjective is of two or more than two syllables. First of all, you must know what is syllables. When we speak any word like beautiful, B-E-A, then this word beautiful is divided into three parts. B-E-A-B, T-I-T-F-U-L, beautiful. It will be said in phonetics like this. So it is of three syllables. So this is the three syllable. In same way, there are some words of two syllables like gay, no gay, rough. This word rough is made up of two words, rough, for rough. So when two syllables, three or two syllables, means when the positive degree is of two or more than two syllables, then more and most is added in the superlative degree. Means I mean to say beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. This is the rules related to adjective, and now rules related to use of adjective. How adjective is used? So adjective can be used, use of adjective. Adjective can be added in two ways. That is, one is attributive use and predicative use. And predicative use. What is an attributive use? When adjective qualifies noun, pronoun directly, then it becomes the attributive use. but when adjective qualifies noun pronoun by coming in predicate part. This is the rule. Means there are two types of adjective use of adjective: attributive use, predicative use. What is attributive use? When adjective qualifies its noun or pronoun directly. How? Lame horse, old man, beautiful lady. यहाँ क्या है कि the word name, old, beautiful, all these are adjective. Horse, man, lady, all these are noun. So here word name is directly adding something more or qualifying the word horse. Old word is directly qualifying the word man. Beautiful word is directly qualifying the word lady. So in this way we can say that these are the attributive is, means qualifying the adjective words are qualifying directly to these nouns or its nouns. But what is predicative part? Predicative use when adjective qualifies its noun by coming in the predicate part, means it adjective does not qualify its noun or pronoun directly, but it qualifies its noun or pronoun indirect way by coming in the predicate part after the verb, etc. For example, you can say here lame horse. You are saying here same thing. You can say this horse is lame. Same thing. Since वही lame horse लंगड़ा घोड़ा. This horse is lame. Yeah, you can remove this. Horse is lame. घोड़ा लंगड़ा है. So here verb is between after lame and horse, and after is very well that predicative parts starts from the starting of the helping verb or main verb. So lame word adjective word is qualifying its noun horse by coming after the is verb. So it is in the predicative part. So it is the predicative example of the predicative use of the adjective. In same way, old man, direct man is old, nothing is here. Beautiful lady, lady is beautiful. In this way, all these are about the adjective. If any problem occurs, then contact me or query or go through the books. Complete your notes. Any problem occurs, contact me, and I think whatever is with me in my mind, I have cleared very well everything to you. There is no need to explain further. And forms of adjective, that is fight, fighter, fightest, good, better, best, all these. Forms of adjective, that is good, better, best, fight, fighter, fightest, wise, wiser, wisest, related to all these can be seen in your books. You can go through net, etc., and you will be able to understand all these very easily. Thank you. Have a nice day.